wabarakatuh. Excuse me, Mr. Ejai Mandika. Let me introduce myself. My name Naufal Ahmad, STP 4396 from Correctional Polytechnic. In this video, I want to reading the story by title The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, a clever monkey lived in a tree that bore juice red rose apple. He was very happy. One fine day, a crocodile swam up to the tree and told the monkey that he had traveled a long distance and was in search of food as he was very hungry. The keen monkey offered him a few rose apples. The crocodile enjoyed them very much and asked the monkey whether he could come again for more some fruit. The generous monkey happily agreed. The crocodile returns the next day, and the next one after that. Soon, the two become very good friends. They discuss their life, their friend, and family, like all friends do. The crocodile told the monkey that he had a wife and that they lived on the other side of the river. So, the keen monkey offered him some extra rose apple to take home to his wife. The crocodile wife loved the rose apple and made her husband promise to get some every day. Meanwhile, the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile deepened as they spent more and more time together. The crocodile wife started getting jealous. She wanted to put an end to this friendship. So, she pretended that she could not believe that her husband could be friends with a monkey. Her husband tried to convince he and the monkey shared a true friendship. That the crocodile wife thought to herself that if the monkey lived on a dead rose of monkey, his flesh would be very sweet. So she asked the crocodile to invite the monkey to their house. The crocodile was not happy about this. He tried to make the excuse that it would be difficult to get the monkey across the river. But his wife was determined to eat the monkey flesh. So she thought of a plan. One day, she pretended to be very ill and told the crocodile that the doctor said that she will only recover if she ate a monkey heart. If her husband went to save her life, he must bring her his friend heart. The crocodile was aghast. He was in a dilemma. On the one hand, he loved his friend. On the other, he could not possibly let his wife die. The crocodile wife threatened him, saying that if he didn't get the monkey heart, she would surely die. So the crocodile went to the rose apple tree and invited the monkey to come home to meet his wife. He told the monkey that he could ride across the river on the crocodile back. The monkey happily agreed. As they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile began to sing. The frightened monkey asked him why he was doing that. The crocodile explained that he would have to kill the monkey to save his wife's life. The clever monkey told him that he would gladly give up his heart to save the life of the crocodile wife, but he had to leave his heart behind in the rose apple tree. He asked the crocodile to make haste and turn back so that the monkey could go get his heart from the apple tree. The silly crocodile quickly swam back to the rose apple tree. The monkey scampered up the tree to safety. He told the crocodile to tell his wicked wife that she had married the biggest fool in the world. The story is end, and the moral value from the story is don't underestimate yourself. There are bigger fools in the world. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.